Alright, just going to give you guys a quick little video on how to set up a thick thin blade on this F3 Sidegrinder. We have a blade here that's got 2 thick teeth, 1 thin tooth. So I'm going to go into the setup screen. I'm going to select group size, which is 3. And instead of putting thick, thick, thin, I'm going to put thick, thin, thick, just because of the way this indexes when it sets up. So you're going to set up on your first thick tooth. You come in, you touch it off on this, and then when it indexes, it will go to the second thick tooth and start. That's where the program starts, is on the second thick tooth. So thick, thin, thick, thick, thin, thick. It works like that. So we'll go down here into the oscillate. We'll set 0.3 as our total. Our thick and thin difference we'll set to, let's see, 0.1. Let's do about 4 thousandths. And then our in feed increment is going to be the same, 10. All right, so we come over here. Blade on. I'm going to set it against the index finger on the first thick tooth. I'm going to clamp it, index it into the grinding position, drop back. We're going to turn it on. Go to the setup again, set our thin position, 32, that is correct. And we'll set our retract position, retract, and we will hit automatic. If you watch, it's going to index and go into the second thin tooth of the blade first. Second thick tooth on the blade, first thick tooth of the program. Now it's going to index again. Now this will be a thin tooth. You can see by the display it shows what it's doing right there. That's it. Back on the